you guys up to? Just cruising?
Man, we're just exploring y'all city.
Oh, no way. How long you guys out here for? Nice. Have you been on the west side the whole time, or you been all around LA?
I don't know, have we?
Somewhere.
Chill. Right here, right up, if you take Horizon up, and this is like a little liquor store to get a drink in between spot.
I don't know where I felt like I get a little drink around here, do you, bud?
Alright, so me and Mr. Express got us some scooters, and I thought it'd be a cool idea to put our helmets on. Yeah. So I'm gonna give y'all a tour of Venice. We gonna look like some idiots with these helmets on.
It's not working again.
It's not that we're being over cautious or anything. Man, this dude's scooter keep cutting on and off. Yo, this is sketchy, dog.
How you get faster?
Hey, it don't matter. I tuned it. I tuned it, baby. You trying to do a dig? Hold on, we finna do a race here. Hold on. How's it going, sir? Greetings to you. Hey, come catch this dig. You ready?
Yeah, ready, set, go.
Yo, dog, you cheating, dog, for the top. Yeah, tight game, baby. That tight game. Oh, you get. That looks like how that BMW got me. I gotta slow down and let him catch up, man. Well, 1 Tiger, 0 Mr. Express.
Yo, how do it faster?
It's just, I told you, I made some adjustments. You want to get another? You can get another one. He wondering why his scooter's so much slower. Man, his is super slow though. We need to find another one. Y'all believe these things are 39 cents a minute? You gonna find another one? I'm gonna see if we can find him another scooter, because his apparently is low on battery or something. Because my top end on this thing is insane. Hey, catch my wheelie though. As hard as I can get it. I don't even know where we at this point. That's a nice little canal coming through here, like a nice little waterway. Gonna end up paying like $50 riding on this thing.
Let me look for another one. This shit's slow.
I see a regular scooter. On the mission is to find this dude another scooter, man, because this one out here ain't cutting it. Nah, he got like a 10 bike head start, full tuck. I'm sitting straight up, wide open throttle. Nah, that ain't gonna help you, man. I don't know what's wrong with your scooter, bro. I'm on a quarter turn right now.
Go full throttle.
Let's just do a roll. Do a countdown. Dang, bro. Dang, that's a gap, man. That's a gap. Man, that's a bunch of Lamborghini trucks out here. It's like everybody got a Lamborghini truck. On these scooters, we was gonna go to the boardwalk, but on the scooter, guys, the map said that the beach, well, not the beach, but the canals and the boardwalk are prohibited for these scooters. It even said we can't even ride on the sidewalk, which I thought was a little unusual. I mean, I guess I get it for safety wise, but I feel like it's more of a safety risk riding them in the street than it is actually taking them on the road. Hey, scoot over, dog.
Oh.
No, close your eyes, man.
No, I can't. I'm gonna pull up to the
You will come back to my country, I will look after you, I will give you money, I will give you automobile car.
Her name is Pamela.
Does she live here in New York City?
She lives in California.
Oh, in California.
He's gonna look her up.
Dang, man.
Pull up on me.
They making us look bad, bro. Yeah. Bro, why you keep doing that? Oh, somebody open up the door right now. It's gonna be so jacked up. That's gonna be painful, man. Man, Mr. Express scooter is slow as hell. I keep having to let off so I won't just blow past him. I'm finna race that chick. Y'all trying to race or what?
Pull up on me.
Yo, it's crazy how many people live in tents over here on the side of the road. Like, I didn't realize that homelessness was so bad out here. Literally, like every corner you go is a bunch of tents and stuff everywhere. And LA, honestly, is trashy, dog. There's like a lot of trash and just stuff everywhere out here.
Wanna ride down there?
How far are you trying to that same spot?
I'm trying to get on the beach for real quick.
Oh, yeah, we can do that. I thought that's the one you had.
Yeah, but this one, I know why it is right now.
Oh, okay.
Turn off if I'm not allowed.
You single rotor too, man. So a little quick mod, you know. I got the extra electric pack on it, single rotor. I got the bars lowered a little bit. I got the seat lowered a little bit. So it's a little lower than what your normal thing. You know, I got a little this over the wheel just for aero, pick up a little bit. I'm thinking about just getting rid of the rear brakes because I don't really use them. But for now, this is gonna work. You sure you ready for that rematch?
Oh,
It's still not working? Man, you making me lose money, bro.
look at that. Front end is not stable.
39 cents a minute.
Oh, there's some fucking shit.
So I just need to turn my eyes off then?
I'm gonna grab the other one that's down there.
Alright. This dude having more problems with trying to find this electrical scooter. Yeah, man, this is crazy. It kind of sucks, you know, it's kind of saddening too, but I mean, what can you do really, you know? Try to find somebody to race, bro. Let's go.
Alright, we got you.
Now you ain't gonna get me, huh?
Go ahead, I'll catch up with you. Don't worry about it.
We got to do all this. You want this smoke? Okay, you about to get it.
To the stop sign.
Alright.
No, you cheating already, dog. Is the battery low?
No.
Oh.
Push it and then.
Oh, so you gotta cheat?
Yeah, ready?
Yeah. No, you cheating, dog. No, I'm gonna walk you down. Oh. Hey, that top end a fool, man. That's some nice graffiti on the wall. They got Nipsey Hussle everywhere out here.
Pull up on me.
My camera on?
Yes. No, man. It's skateboarding.
Whoa!
That top end, man. Oh, he trying to switch bikes again, man. I'm telling you, it's just the sauce, man. I made some adjustments. Woo! What's going on, guys? Yeah. Y'all giving out skateboard lessons or what? Y'all getting out skateboard lessons?
No, we're just having a little curb session.
No, I'm just fucking with you. Yeah. We from Texas, man. We just exploring y'all city.
No way, how long you guys out here for?
We've been out here for what, a week?
Yeah.
About a week. This our last day.
Nice. Have you been on the west side the whole time, or you been all around LA?
I don't know, have we? Yeah. Y'all be going to skate parks and stuff?
Yeah, the skate park's right here, right up. If you take Horizon up,
Yeah.
it's like a little liquor store, so you get a drink.
So who the best skateboarder out of y'all? Probably her? Think so? That's what's up.
It's hot out there right now.
It's about high 90s, low 100s. Yeah. That's what's up, man. I can't skateboard for shit.
Right up at the skate park right now, they're gonna be big on him.
Oh, really? Cool. How long you been skating, man?
Oh, like 25 years.
Oh, damn. That's what's up. Well, I'll let y'all get back to y'all fun, man. I just saw y'all over here having a good time.
What's your name?
Tiger?
Marcus.
Marcus?
Yeah.
Cool. Nice to meet you, man.
Enjoy your last day out here, man.
Yeah, for sure. All right, man.
There you go.
Have fun.
Alright, this is it. We rested from the dig.
Are we going? So on green, baby. You trying to cheat already, dog? I see you trying to push yourself. Oh, snap. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I got you enough room. Woo! Hey, you can't, no, bro, you cheating. You cheating. Oh, fuck. No, dog, you cheating. You taking.
We got to do all this. You want this smoke? Okay, you about to get it.
You taking, man.
He's doing best 2 out of 3.
I already got 2 out of 3.
Wow, I got a slow one.
No, man, I already took that. Ah! I'm tucking. No, you cheating, dog. You cheating. Let me put my visor down. No, dog, you cheating. You only got about a bike on me.
Stop walking.
No. Yeah. Well, Pop must not supposed to be over here.
Is it working?
No. We gotta go back that way or something?
Yeah.
I guess the bikes only work in certain areas or they'll cut off. So right now there's no power.
I am here.
Well, apparently we ran out of the and ran into the restricted area, so it automatically cut the bikes off. So now we're just trying to push our way back to Salvation.
Yeah, we got one more block.
Damn! Another block to go. Well, why are these right here then? These the same scooters. And this shit hard.
Probably all ended up here because it turned off.
Yeah. Let's keep going then.
There you go.
Mine's not working. Oh, there we go. Where the heck Express at? Oh, there you go. Yeah. Man, when I'm running close to these cars, all that I can think about is about the opening of the door. But that's pretty dope. I wish we can ride these on the actual sidewalk that goes along the beach. That would have been dope, but it says we can't ride on them, so it is what it is. Woo, look at that big old drop. Man, here's a whole mattress in the road. I mean on the sidewalk. We in Cali, so it's only right that we could go visit a dispensary. Neither one of us have ever been. And this would be cool just to go and just to see what's in there.